I am D. Anandi, Assistant Professor of English, PSG College of Arts and Science. I would like to present a poem by Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. Before moving to the poem, let's see about the author. Robert Frost, in full, Robert Lee Frost, born on March 26, 1874, San Francisco, California, US, and he died on January 29, 1963, Boston, Massachusetts. American poet who was much admired for his depictions of rural life of New England, his command of American colloquial speech, and his realistic verse portraying ordinary people in everyday life situation made him very popular. He was the Poet Laureate of America in 1958 to 1959. His notable works are The Road Not Taken, The Death of the Hired Man, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, Mending Wall, Birches After Apple Picking, North of Boston, A Boy's Will. Frost was honored frequently during his lifetime and is the only poet to receive 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry. He became one of America's rare public literary figures, almost an artistic institution. He was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetic works. Let's see the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better climb, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. About the poem. First published in 1916, The Road Not Taken shows Frost at his best as a pastoral who combines rustic simplicity with hidden, indirect, and clarity of style and language. Poem's title. The road is the symbol of the choice made by us in life. Many times we regret the choice we make, but what is done once cannot be undone. Man regrets for what he has denied himself in life, rather than what he has chosen. Hence, the poet has given his poem the title The Road Not Taken. The word road not only means way, it also means journey or a stage of journey. Here, road does not signify any ordinary road, but functions a metaphor of a vital decision in our life. Explanation of stanza 1. The speaker has been out for walking in the woods and comes in between the diversion of 2 roads. He stands there looking as far down each one as he can see. He would like to try out both, but doubts he could do that. So, therefore, he continues to look down the roads for a long time, trying to make his decision about which road to take. Explanation of stanza 2. The speaker selects the road that appears at first glance to be less worn and therefore less travelled. This selection suggests that he has an independent spirit and does not wish to follow the crowd. After a moment, he concludes that Both roads are about equally. Explanation of stanza 3. Leaves cover both roads equally. No one on this morning has yet taken either road, for the leaves lie undisturbed. The speaker remains committed to his decision to take the road he had previously selected, saying that he will travel the other road for another day. He observes, however, that he probably will never pass this way again and thus will never have an opportunity to take the other road. Explanation of stanza 4. In this poem, the word difference is taken in a positive way, but there is nothing in the poem that suggests that this difference signals a positive outcome. In years to come, the speaker says he will be telling others about the choice he made. While doing so, he will shine either with relief that he made the right choice or with regret that he made the wrong choice. Whether right or wrong, the choice will have had a significant impact on his life. Summary of the poem. This poem talks about the choices one has to make in life and their consequences. One day, while walking in a wooded area full of trees, the poet comes to a place where he has to decide which road he should take. He starts debating over the choices as he realizes he cannot walk on both. However, he decides to take the second path with the intention of traveling on the first some other time in future. Message of this poem. This is an inspirational poem and quite tricky, according to Robert Frost himself. The poem presents an antithesis. The traveler comes to a fork and wishes to take both, which is impossible. One of the roads is described as grassy and wanted wear. Then he says that both the roads look the same. This represents the eternal dilemma of man. He finds the grass greener always on the other side. This poem is a call for the reader to forge his or her way in life and not follow the path that others have taken. This poem encourages self-reliance, reinforces the power of independent thinking and sticking to one's decisions. The poet does not moralize about choice. He simply says that choice is inevitable and you will never know till you have lived the difference. So, there is nothing right or wrong about a choice. It is all relative. Whatever direction one takes, one must pack it with determination and zest, for one can never turn the clock back or relive that moment. Thank you.